His Serene Majesty Chukwudinigbo Agwuna Nkpume Azaoko Akajiofo Nre. He is the definition of greatness in Igbo land, a charisma befitting only of a warrior in Igbo tribe. Ringing of the bell means give way, a warrior is approaching. When he greets you, you feel the handshake of a warrior. The blaring of the elephant toss consistently reminds the people that the warrior is in the arena. Great personalities in the like of Nkpume are just few in Igbo land. And on occasions like this, traditional rites must be observed completely. It is my pleasure to introduce to you His Serene Majesty Nkpume. Nkpume, the Akajiofo Nre. Looking at Nkpume, you will see the definition of a great Igbo man. Is it his leopard skin outfit, or is it his intimidating height? Nkpume is the custodian of the ancestral Igbo culture. But it is what it is. Before Bokobo,